Hello everyone, my name is Hiya and today we will be doing a tutorial on Scratch programming and how I made my own game on this beautiful Scratch program. It's not so hard, it's very easy and you will also learn how to do it faster. So let's get started. Now, the first thing we need to make is the sprite. So, first of all, the game is about the Scratch uh, which is the sprite and which is the cat. It's going to catch some balls which will be falling from the top and you have to catch it. As she catches it, it makes a chomp sound. Chomp sound is equals to making something sound while eating. Then when and there will be rocks falling with that also with the balls. You can also make the balls as apple, fishes, or whatever you want. Um, the rocks will be also falling. But as the rock falls on Sprite's head, which is the cat, it makes a pop sound and you will lose the game and the game will be over. So let's see how it's made faster and we can learn it cool. So first you need to go to the events block and check this block out, which is when flag clicked. So this is the green flag. When you click this, the game will be start. Then you have to take the forever block. What is a forever block? Forever block means it will be repeating again and again. That is a kind of bracket thing and all the code is inside the bracket and whatever the code is inside the bracket that will be repeating again and again. Then you have to do wait 0 seconds. I did it 0 seconds because first I did it 1.5 and it was really slow. So you can adjust it upon your speed how you want of the sprite while walking. So then you have to do if block. If block means it shows the condition. If you click the right arrow, this will happen. So the thing is move 10 steps. Switch to costume 3. Now what is costume 3? So before making this code, we made this costumes. So these are the costumes. So this is the costume 1. It's the normal sprite facing to the right side of the program of the background. Now you have to duplicate that sprite and then you have to do flip horizontal like this. As I flip horizontal, it will move to the left side. Now you have to go to costume 3. In the costume 3, it's the same facing to the right side but with the legs fold. So it looks like it's running to the right side. Now, in the fourth costume, you have to do the same but flip it horizontal and make it look like it's running to the left side. So it looks like this after you make the costume. So now we need the costume 3, which is folding legs to the right side. Because we need to click the right arrows, obviously the sprite will go to the right side. Now wait for 0 seconds. I told you why I put 0 seconds. Then move 10 steps and then the same switch to costume 1. Now what is costume 1? Costume 1 is like this, facing to the right side. So first it was like this, then like this, like this, like this, like this. It will go. Then another if condition. Then you have to put sensing key. Over there you have to do left arrow in the left and below that there is one more if condition in that below one if condition. Then you have to do move minus 10 steps. Minus 10 steps because when you go 10 steps it goes forward. When you do minus 10 steps it comes back. So when you press the left arrow it will come back. Now switch costume to costume 2. Now what is the costume 2? Let's check it out. Costume 2 is facing to the left side and with straight legs. Now wait for 0 seconds. You can adjust it. Then move 10 steps to the left. Then switch costume to costume 4 and then costume 4 is moving to the left side and with folded legs. So this is our sprite. It's simple. If you see it carefully, it's really simple. It's not that hard. And over here we have used all the blocks so we can understand every block movement and every block specialty. Now let's go to the ball. That will be a thing which is going to fall down and the sprite is going to catch it. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is when clicked green flag. So what if you put over here green flag and over here space? It will not work. And space means this one. It will not work because when you put when click space here and when click flag, you have to click both of them and then only it will work. Because we want it to work together, so we have to click one of them. Then you have to go to X and X number, Y number. Now over here it is like if it's depend on the position of your ball. If your ball is over here, it will be different number in these sides. So don't keep searching for minus 137 or by 76. Then hide the ball. Then again forever wait for 1 second. So over here you have to add 1 second, not any random. Then create a clone for myself which ball. Then another beside it will be when I start as a clone. Don't put it just below it or don't attach it because it will not attach in the forever block. You can put it either over here or over here. So then you have to do show. Now you basically just hide it over here, but now you have to show it over here. Then you have to do change X by 10. And then you have to go to operators and pick random, this one. And then you have to change it as minus 180 to 180. Then forever block will be fully below it. Then change by minus 7. Then if block, then you have to put this sensing less than 150, less than 50 it is. We have changed to minus 150. Then we have to put Y position. Then delete this clone and our if block is finished over here. Then it's coming to the main part. Now if touching the sprite, if the ball touches the sprite 1, then it will make a sound like chomp. It's like chomp when you make the sound of eating. Chomp, it's called chomp. Broadcast caught ball, delete this clone. When you caught the ball, delete this clone. And make sure you put the ball number as well. As you put ball only, then it will be wrong. If you put 3 to 4 balls together, you have to put the ball number. Now we have done this. Now let's go to rock. Now rock, only we have this sprite, so you have to use this sprite. Then when I start as clone again, you have to start as clone. Then you have to do it as, wait, I'm so sorry. You have to do as when I click this flag. So when you click this flag, it starts. Okay. Then you have to do set speed to minus 10. So the speed will be minus 10. Hide it. Then you have to go to X 0, Y 180. You have to change this because it's not the same over here. You have to change this. Don't keep finding this. You have to change this like 0 and 180 by. Then you have to do forever. Wait for 1 second. Then create clone of myself, which is the rock. Now set speed to 0. Over here in variables, over here it will be something written, something else written. You have to change it to speed. You have to go here and you have to do rename. Or you can make your own variable. Over here you have to go pick random from minus 5 to minus 15. Now here the forever block ends and this is one of it. Then we have when I start as clone, show. Now you hide over there. Now you're gonna show over here. Change X by 10. Now I'm putting this away because it will be difficult for you to find if I don't put this away. Then you have to do pick random 180 to minus 180. Forever block to the last. Then change Y by speed. Now this is different. Change Y by 10. Then you have to go in variables and you have to take speed like this. And then have to go if block and you have to take less than 50, you have to change that to minus 145 and then put over here Y position from the motion block. This is the small Y position over here. Now you have to go delete this clone. Now new if block starts from here, touching sprite 1. Go to the front layer. Now broadcast. When the rock hits the cat, make the pop sound like, and then stop all game, means your game is over. And then if block is also finished and variable block is also finished. And let me show the demo of the game so you can understand how fun it is. So here I maximum the screen and I click this flag. Now the keys you have to use is not that complicated. You just have to use these arrow keys, which is to the right arrow key and the left arrow key. So it's really easy to operate as well. Here I click it and you will not be able to hear the sound because I did it so, and in the video you will not be able to hear the sound, but in real life when you play you will be able to hear the sound. You have to go and you will have to take this. As you try this game you will get to know. Okay, so now I'm collecting it. Now when I step means my head touches the rock, now see what happens. So here I'm collecting the balls. Now nothing is happening. See, I collect the balls. Now I'm going to stop here. As the rock touched my head, the game was over. Now you cannot do anything. You have to press this. Now what does the speed for? Check it out. When you move, you can look, that's the speed of rock. It's minus now. That's minus 15. So as it grows, the speed of rock goes faster. Now the position of rock is by position 180. So I hope you enjoyed my video and making this cool sprite game on Scratch Programming 3.0. I hope you enjoyed. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And thanks to Vaishnavi ma'am for teaching us such a wonderful game to make on sprite, and it is really fun. Hope you try it. Bye.